Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: 4 to the power of x equal to 36. We take a log on both sides. Log 4 to the power of x equal to log 36. Now log m power p equal to p log m. We are going to implement this here. So x log 4 equal to log 36. Now divide by log 4 on both sides. Log 4 log 4. This log 4 cancels this. So we have x equal to log 36 by log 4. Now 36 can be written as 4 times of 9. So x equal to log 4 times of 9 by log 4. We are going to implement this log product formula. AB equal to log A plus log B. This we are going to implement here. So x equal to log 4 plus log 9 by log 4. Now x equal to log 4 by log 4 plus log 9 by log 4. This cancels this. So we have x equal to 1 plus log 9 by log 4. 9 can be written as 4 can be written as 2 power 2. So x equal to 1 plus log 3 power 2 by log 2 power 2. Now we are going to implement this log power formula. Log m power p equal to p log m. So x equal to 1 plus 2 log 3 by 2 log 2. This 2 cancels this. So x equal to 1 plus log 3 by log 2. Now we are going to have this formula log a by log b equal to log a base b. So x equal to 1 plus log 3 base 2. This is x. Now we are going to verify this. To check equation 4 power x equal to 36. Now x equal to 1 plus log 3 base 2. Now the equation 4 power x can be replaced with this value 1 plus log 3 base 2 equal to 36. Now we are going to implement this formula a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. This formula we are going to implement here. So 4 power 1 times 4 power log 3 base 2 equal to 36. This 4 power 1 is 4 times of this 4 can be written as 2 power 2 log 3 base 2 equal to 36. Now log m power p equal to p log m. We are going to implement this here. 4 times of 2 log 3 power 2 base 2 equal to 36. We are going to have this formula a power log b base a equal to b. So this formula we are going to implement here. So 4 times of this is 3 power 2 equal to 36. Now 4 times of 3 power 2 is 9 equal to 36. 4 times of 9 is 36 equal to 36. So it is LHS equal to RHS. That's verified. Just look back the verification.